I wanted to give her home.
Hey, brother. No. Stop. Calm down, hey, brother. What the hell are you doing? Hey, brother. This is my truck. Don't do you dare. Get it no. Oh my God, that scared me. Listen to music to relax out.
谁是我的新郎？别再让我东张西望，别再让我天天猜想，谁是我的新郎？谁是我的新郎？
Lamborghini!
Fuck! Oh my God! This truck has to go. Get on the truck. Let's go. Hey! Hello, boss. Let's match the cargo box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Lamborghini!
What the hell are you doing?
Lamborghini! Lamborghini! Fuck! Get it!
Oh my God!
Lamborghini! Lamborghini!
Shut your mouth! Shut your mouth! Oh my God! Fuck! That's water power. Let's go. That's the smell. Look.
Lamborghini power! Lamborghini power!
Oh my God! The way you again. Stop. So easy. Supernatural. Look, this is a Jiefang 255 horsepower engine. You like Jiefang? Let's go. Hello, boss. Look, 2 FAW Jiefang GK69 potent 6-meter long box truck. It's super affordable, only $19,000. Look, every truck in our shop is inspection report and export ready. Like my trucks, hit me up. I'm Jerry. 恭喜发财。Baby, I wanna drive a Lamborghini too. I love you, baby.